Good morning, guys. Today is a real snowy and early morning. Right now it is currently 5 o'clock and me and my parents are driving down to Boise, Idaho in the middle of a snowstorm to go pick up a new car. And I'm not going to tell you guys what the car is yet. I'm gonna show you guys when we get there, if we get there with how snowy it is. But we got a long ride ahead of us. We got about,
whose car is it?
It's gonna be my new car, and I'm really excited for it. But I am also really tired right now. We had to wake up at 4 o'clock. We didn't go to bed till like 10 last night. Oh yeah, hold on. You guys gotta check out all this snow. So yeah, this is gonna be one fun ride. All right, guys, so we're about 2 hours in. It is 7 o'clock right now, and we're in Idaho, and it is whiter than white outside right now. We got about an hour till Burley. We're gonna gas up, stretch our legs. Then I'm probably gonna go back to sleep. I've been taking a nap. I'm tired. Waking up at 4 o'clock to leave at 5 was way too early. But I'm still really excited. I can't wait. I'm just hoping by the time we get down there, it's not snowing, because this is kind of eerie.
A few hours later.
Well, guys, we just got here to the dealership, and this is the car.
So this will be something. We're fired up, Zach. Oh, look at that.
I'm excited.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
I'm so nervous.
Okay, we gotta get a plate from roll your window down.
I'm pretty much just gonna put this on the back since it's got a magnetic thing to it.
Okay.
And then, yeah, just take it around the block, see what you guys think.
Okay.
Have some fun
Okay.
with it, okay? Awesome. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm gonna kill it.
So, his first time driving a stick shift.
Not my first.
Not your first?
Not my first. I need to speed this forward just a touch. Oh, that's better. It's not my first, but oh, those gears are real.
He doesn't need a short throw.
Alright, where?
Not that way. You're doing good so far.
Yeah.
Most people kill it the first few times.
Should I go right?
If you don't want to go out on the road, yeah. Just don't take off the front spoiler. Ooh, almost.
This is different than my car.
This is your car.
I meant the Volkswagen.
You don't have to keep going to neutral.
Yeah, I know.
Go straight.
Oh, okay. Is this a four-way? This is not.
Heater works. Yeah, this is the main road, so you're gonna have to accelerate.
I can't see.
Just go straight.
Well, guys, so the thing that's really cool about this car is because this is my car. So the last one, the EOS I've been driving, that's been my parents' car that they've let me use. Nathan, he has his own car. Brendan, he has his own car. Steven, he has his own car. And I've just been borrowing a car. But this truly is my own car now. My parents are co-signing on it, so I'm gonna be the one paying for it. It's gonna be all, well, title is under their name until I turn 18 before they can transfer it over to me. But this is truly my car, and I'm so excited.
I just died on your arms tonight. Must have been something you said. I just died on your arms.
And yes, I'm gonna do modifications to it. Not severe. I'm planning on just doing like some minor ones, like an exhaust system, a blow-off valve, maybe some coilovers to lower it a little bit.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
But I'm not 100% sure. All I know is the first thing I got to go are the roof racks. Those are easy. I've already learned how to take them off, put them back on. It's gonna be no problem. But I can't wait to get driving it again. And we'll have to let you guys know how it goes when we get back into the car. But we're just signing some paperwork right now, and then we'll be back on our way. And then we gotta go eat. I'm starving.
I can't believe he's driving a stick so well his first time.
It's because it's not that bad. It really isn't. I don't know how Steven was struggling so bad.
Did he struggle?
With the Corvette, yeah, but I mean, I guess the Corvette was also harder to drive.
Oh, is that when he stalled it getting off the freeway and stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, come on, Steven, it's not that hard.
Look, he's got it.
Yeah. I haven't killed it yet, which is good. Hopefully I don't. I really don't want to. Oh, dude, this is... My hands are cold, though. Left here, right?
Yes.
It's cold. Oh, where's Mom?
She's over there.
Okay.
Oh, she's ready.
There was a wreck and it was really bad. That guy's way off the side of the road. Oh, he tumbled. He tumbled hard. Oh, that sucks. That sucks so bad. Well, we got the car. We're on our way home. We're trying to find food and connect to the audio. There's another wreck. So we saw a couple on the way up. I think that is now wreck number 8 we've seen in total, because we didn't film any of the ones coming back up. We saw 4, 5 on the way up here. 4. And then we saw that one, the one that the guy tumbled, then the one off the side of the road, and then we just saw that one. So that makes it, what does that make it? 7.
I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy, 'cause it's easy come, easy go. Little high, little low. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo.
let me go. For me. That was fun. We are stopping to eat because we haven't had breakfast yet and it's 1:40. So we're gonna go eat brunch.
There's Mobetta's.
Do you want to go to Mobetta's?
A few hours later.
So we stalled it pulling onto their highway here, but I didn't have it recording. Oh, whoa.
My bad.
Oh, so funny. Killed it trying to pull out into traffic, but man, I wish I would have got that. He was freaking. Whoa, easy there. Burn that clutch out.
I'm sorry, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
Alright, I think we're done with the snow, so
I gotta drive it all the way back home for the next 3 hours.
yep. Look at this stuff. White knuckle.
Yeah, I'm terrified right now. This is ugly. I'm like, I've never driven in stuff like this. Oh my gosh.
Stressful.
When we hit that first one that looked like that, there was this guy off to the side of the ditch. He hit that stuff and just went straight off the side. I've never driven in anything like this or seen anything like this. I didn't even know stuff like this could exist. I'm literally crapping myself right now. This is terrifying.
You need me to drive? You're doing okay.
No, I'm doing okay. I mean, it's good for the experience. It's just, I'm not worried about me. I'm worried about everyone else.
Yep. So what's the other guy gonna do?
Exactly. And it's like, even if you and me switch, it's not going to change what the other guy's going to do.
Yep.
Well, guys, we have made it back home, and the cars made it, we made it, we're all still alive. There's some sketchy moments along the way, but overall, it was a pretty different experience. But yeah, here's the car in our driveway right now. I'm excited to drive it more because, I mean, it's my new car, and it's a stick, so I'm gonna go over to Steven's house, see what he thinks about the car. I think he'll like it, but I'm just excited to show him. All right, guys, so I am just right now pulling up to Steven's house, and he is not outside yet, so that's a good thing. There he is. What the f? So, yeah, let's come in. Hey, hi. I may or may not have gotten a new car.
Do you know how to drive it?
What?
Do you know how to drive it?
Yeah, kind of. I've only killed it twice.
Nice. Congratulations.
I can't tell you. You gotta come look.
Stay on sec, I'll be out there.
Nice. Look at this, the WRX. Oh my goodness. Is it quick?
It's pretty quick.
Probably quicker than the other car.
It's got more horsepower, but the other car shifts quicker. Oh, my bad.
He's trying to steal it. He's trying to steal it. Snatches it.
Right?
Good one. I like it. I like the seats.
Those are stock too.
Oh, look at that. It's got like the whole race seats.
I know.
Should we go for a ride?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going for a ride. Oh my goodness, guys. He got a new car.
What are your thoughts on it so far?
Dude, it's pretty sick. It's probably louder than my car.
No.
No.
Alright, seatbelts, otherwise it'll just beep at you constantly.
This is a never-ending beeper.
Yeah.
Would it beat my car in a race? No, it would not.
No.
Look, guys, I got my car back.
I want to do this.
My bad. Does this guy know what he's doing? Or is he gonna run us into a wall right now? I don't know.
Ooh, is that reverse?
That was third
fourth.
gear. Oh, that was
That
fourth
was
gear.
fourth
That's even
gear.
worse. Yeah, that was fourth. Yeah, that was fourth. Yes, we're driving.
Steven,
We're driving
you're
his
so
next new
animated
car.
right now.
I know. So I was playing Fortnite, listening to Fiend.
The polygamy house. Holy crap!
I'm not joking. Look, my house right there. Oh. Oh. Zach has a new car.
I need to clean it. 300 miles was not very. It got a little dirty.
On the outside.
Yeah. We should look at your car.
You want to look at my car?
Yeah.
Let's go out in the cold and look at my car.
Yeah. Actually, turn off on their own.
Oh, well, it's because you have an automatic mode over there.
No, there isn't.
Oh, they're not.
No.
I mean, that's not.
I mean, I want to keep it
this-
stock because when you start doing engine mods to them, that's when they go kaboom, and that's why they're known for.
exploding. Look at that
guessed
car,
it.
guys. And look, it's my car, guys.
Turn the light on.
Also close the garage because it's cold.
Where's the light?
Right next to it, the garage buttons. Oh, look, it's my car. It's my car, guys.
Did your airbags go off?
No.
Oh, so it wasn't that bad at all.
What do you mean it wasn't bad? Did you see this whole front end right here?
Well, if your freaking airbags didn't go off, then it wasn't that bad.
It was bad enough that they thought it was totaled for a little bit. But it's okay, guys. Look, it's back.
Wow, Steven, it looks like you don't have a stick.
Look, there's a big old stick right in the middle.
That's-
I know. Look, we tried to buy one with stick, but they did not give it to us. You know this, Zach. You know this.
Looks like I'm a better driver than you now. I mean, you are the one that got in the wreck. Don't mind my hair. I haven't done anything today. I've been sitting.
Zachary Campbell, I got hit. I did not hit them. It was their
I was
fault.
sitting in a car for 5 hours today. No, 10 hours, 11,
I know,
about
you were
13
gone,
hours.
You were gone for a long time today.
I left at 5 a.m. I had to wake up at 4.
It's good, guys. I like it a lot. It's a good car.
I like it.
It's a W car.
Maybe I'll let
W
you
car.
drive it sometime if you learn how to
You
drive
should.
stick.
I know how to drive stick.
No, he doesn't.
Trust me, I do. Trust me, I drove the Toyota Corolla.
Whose?
My uncle's.
Whose?
Rob.
Oh. That's stick.
Like, yeah, it's a stick. That little red Corolla.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a stick. It's a stick.
All right, Steven. Well, I gotta get going. I haven't ate yet. I'm starving.
Okay.
Well, see you, Steven.
See you later. I'm keeping your camera.
No.
Bye, guys.
No. How am I supposed to